That's the brake light and turn signal light on your 2019-2023 Volkswagen Jetta. You will need a T25 screw bit, an extension, and a ratchet for this. Let's open up the trunk and get to work. There's a black trim piece, we need to get that off. So all you have to do is just hold it on the top over there and pry it out gently. Be gentle with it, you do not want to break the clips. There are 3 clips over there and 2 big tabs which slide in. Right there, get that off. Once you get the black trim piece off, keep it somewhere safe and get that ratchet T25 bit combination, and let's take off these 2 screws over there. When you're taking the screws off, make sure you don't lose them, because those are the only 2 screws which are holding the entire light in place. You do not want to lose them. Okay, keep them somewhere safe. Let's just get the light out. It'll come right out. There's nothing else holding it in place. There is one electrical connector over there in the back that we need to get it off. There is a middle red slider piece. You can use your thumbnail or you can get a small flathead screwdriver and just pull it out like that. Yep, now we need to press down the black tab there, and while it's pressed down, pull the connector off. Just like that. Yep. Now there's the light unit over there. It's all integrated. There's just one electrical connector, 2 bolts, and that one alignment pin. There's the pin, and that hole over in the body, that's where it goes in. And that's it. There's no bulbs to replace. It's all just one integrated unit. So if this goes bad, you have to replace the entire thing. So get the new light unit, put the electrical connector back on. It only goes on in one way. Once it's clicked, let's push that red piece back in its place. That's good. Now let's put the light back into the body. When we're doing that, let's make sure that the alignment pin goes in the hole over there. Yep, that is looking good. Slide that in place, and now let's just go ahead and put those 2 screws back and tighten them up. Now we need to put the black trim piece back in its place. So slide that in first. Those 2 big tabs, just make sure you get it in, and then slide that over there. Good. Make sure it's looking like that. Once it is, it's easy. All you have to now do is just push, and the clips go back in their place, and that's it. That's good. Now let's go ahead and test out the light. That's the tail light. That's working good. Brake light is working good. Let's try it again. Brake is good. And now the turn signal is looking good as well. Hope you found this useful.